Hello everyone, it's me Ben from Senior Computer Services International. Today I want us to see how to log in and then start registering our businesses. So if you have already created an account here as it was in a previous lesson, so then you come here and log in. You type your username and then password. When you click remember me, that means anytime you come back it will just sign in automatically. So now here you can just click sign in. So if you have already signed in before, it requests you to log out old session. That means I have signed in before, then after I'll have to do it again. So here, when you come here, you are going to reserve a name. Here you register it. So you begin with reserving a name, then you proceed. If you have already reserved your name before, you just come here, register business name. But here currently we don't have any reservation because we have to make some reservation to be registered. So there is no reserved name. So I come here, reserve a name. When I come to reserve a name, then I choose which type of registration. Is it a business? Is it a company? Is it a building society? If it's a business, I come here. So I choose category. Is it partnership? Is it joint venture? Is it solo? So we can say it's solo. So I click on solo. So here I put a name. The name I want. I can say J. I can say Flavia K. Business concepts. So you can put more options, up to 3 options. But for this case, let me only put 1. But you can put different concepts. Just in case the other one is refused, then we can adopt another one. So you choose the nature of the business. Is it mining? Is it finance? So let me say it's finance. Finance services. So you put a category of your business, then you save and close. When you save and close, then you choose, then you continue. So here it has brought what to pay. So you can come here. If you have already paid, you come here, you put the PRN. If you haven't paid, then you come here and then you generate PRN. When you generate PRN, you choose the payment method. You can adopt mobile money. When you put a mobile and then you pay, it will send you a pop-up for you to put a PIN. You can pay over the counter. So it has generated a PRN. That means I have to pay over the counter. So you can also proceed with MasterCard.